what generally lawyers at different levels do. Okay, what do they do? Junior associate. So initially in the first 1 or 2 years, you are called a junior associate. Even first 3 years. Next level is senior associate. Okay, and there are different names. Some people A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, then you become a senior associate. Then you are SA1, SA2, SA3, and these things are generally looked at as how senior you are. So people will ask you, are you SA2 or SA3? Oh, I'm SA3. Okay, then you are working with the SA for 3 years. Now, to become senior associate from junior associate, some people become senior associate after 3.5 years, 4 years. Some people take 5-6 years to become a senior associate. That is the difference, right? Some people take 5-6 years to become a senior associate. If you're very good, you become in 3 years, 3.5 years. Now, what does junior associate do? In a transactional law practice, junior associate do a lot of things, but due diligence, all the research work that seniors require, sometimes writing answers to legal questions and memos and queries from clients. You might draft a first draft. You are definitely going to do all the deal compliance, but majority of work, how you support in a transaction, initially you do due diligence and you do you do deal compliance. And also, as you do these things well, then your seniors may ask you to also help them with some other work, which is drafting. So if you're doing good and they like what you're doing, they feel you're trustworthy, they might say, okay, help me with drafting these agreements. Then you will be drafting those agreements. Then if you're good at drafting, they might give an opportunity to negotiate some agreements also. Initially, you'll accompany them in the negotiation, making notes, listening to them. And as you learn more and more, someday you will step in and start negotiating. Okay, this is what junior associates do. Now, senior associate. If you're a senior associate, by now, either you'll be expected to handle your own transactions, if possible, or you are helping another senior associate or a managing associate or principal associate to run a deal. Depends on how big a deal it is. If it is a big deal, then probably senior will handle it and you're assisting them. But some of the smaller deals you might be running independently. You are managing a team of junior associates, keeping an eye on them, getting them to work and all of that, right? So senior associate. Then there is principal associate. Now principal associate is like above senior associate and before becoming a partner. If you're a principal associate, you probably already have 6-7 years of experience, maybe 5 years of experience, rarely, in most cases 6, 7, 8 years of experience. And by this time, you can handle your own clients. Partner will give you transactions to run, right? Partner may pretend to the client that they are running it, but they are not running it. They are giving it to you to run the matter. And you are managing a team of senior associates, junior associates. You are responsible to decide. By this time, you start hiring people. You decide who to hire, who to fire. Partner will listen to you and do what you are saying. Okay. So principal associates are very powerful. And remember that you may not be able to befriend a partner because everyone wants to befriend the partner and they are too senior. But principal associate, nobody realizes because they don't know enough about law firms. Actually, the principal associates are the ones who have the power to recommend you for a job. Okay, so if you are good, then the principal associate should be impressed by you, or if a principal associate refers you, you have a good chance of getting a job in the law firm. So make the principal associates happy. Okay, so principal associate is the role of principal associate, and they are ready to become a partner. So they are good at their work and they are trying to bring in clients. If they can bring in clients their own, then they'll become partner faster, and they are trying to become partner, right? As soon as possible, in 1 or 2 years, 3 years, they want to become a partner. And then there's a partner. Now the partner's job is, sure, they add some value. They might be reviewing some work. If there is some big important opinion to be given, they might give it. But their role is limited in day-to-day legal work, except for giving advice and helping and all of that. But mostly, and their job is to get the work done. But many times their job is business oriented.